Hi, hello. I know it's a teensy weensy little bit early. We're not quite into Vlogmas, Christmas, holiday stuff yet, but it's November. I need to do my nails real bad. So we're gonna do some Christmas nails today. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my thumb. I've already got this sparkly red on here. It's this one. I lost the sticker, I don't know the name. It's not quite as glittery as I want it, so I'm gonna put this on. And I'm gonna do that for all the nails. That will be the base color. That is what I'm talking about. For the thumb, that's where I'm gonna be putting one big ass snowflake. I'm gonna be using Magic Gel Universal White. I think I'm gonna need to rework this before I do my actual Christmas nail art. A little messier than I want it to be. Okay, I had to fix that up off camera because apparently I cannot do snowflakes while filming on this angle. But there we go, that's much better than how it was looking. And now put on a little gem. So I'm gonna use a little dab of Ultra Silk right dead center there. This one is my favorite for attaching gems. And then we're just gonna boop that guy on there. Go in the center. And then cure that. This one is top coated, the thumb is done. I've got my base colors on my other nails. Pointy finger here, just gonna be using gems. And I just wanna put some at the base. So I'm just using the Ultra Silk. Some of these guys. These are the smallest gauge I have. The hard part is getting these even. That looks okay to me. I'm hoping this looks alright, but I switch the angle around for the other nails because this was becoming a bit of a chore doing it the other way. This nail. Just some swoopy lines. And now I'm just gonna put two gems on here. I'm gonna do one right there and one right there. Just start and we'll see how that looks. It kind of looks like a frowny face. It's a sad face. I'm gonna do another one in the middle here, just to make it look less sad. That's better. Two more nails. I actually think I'm gonna leave this one. I might add, you know what, yeah. I'm gonna add just one extra layer of this hollow to my pinky because I'm leaving that one artless. So sad, I know. Can you tell? I don't know. I'm gonna do just a round little bauble. Doesn't have to be perfect. Get a string all the way to the top. And tie it like a bow. Perfect. Dots in the string here. I like that. And this isn't done yet. I'm going to take some Britannia silver, which looks like this. And I'm going to use a good sized little blob and just drop that in the middle. And there we go. I like that. That turned out way cuter than I thought it was going to. I actually thought it was gonna look a little dumb. Okay, so now I just gotta top coat these, and I'm using a tackless top coat because I don't like to wipe over top of gems. So what I do for the gems is I'll get as close as I can with the brush, and then I have a little glob of top coat on my palette beside me. And I'm going to go in with my detail brush and just get around the gems, because you don't want top coat to go on top of the gems, because then they'll be gross. And the last two are just polished, so I can just do these like normal. And there we go. I'm no good at this. There we go. And the thumb. Honestly, after all that work, the thumb is kind of the highlight of the whole thing. Actually, okay, no, I'm lying. It's this one. The little Christmas bulb. Tiger claw. Okay, well, that's it for this. This is my first time actually filming anything in my little nail space here now that I've moved upstairs. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're really feeling the Christmas vibes, don't forget that Vlogmas is coming up December 1st. So give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already and you feel so inclined. And we'll see you in the next one.